Powerful new AI builds fantastic websites for any business, and all you need to do is ask. Yes, you can grab a fat chunk of the $1 web design market. 40% of businesses still need a website. Think about that. Nearly half of the market is still untapped, and the pie is getting bigger very rapidly because every business knows that they need a good website in order to be in business. You have been forced out of this massive opportunity due to the unjust costs and effort involved. Yes, you can create websites without spending all your savings or going crazy. Want a good website, and you're worried about even getting started? We know what that feels like. Creating websites is expensive, and there are added frustrations due to fake promises, missed deadlines, bad designs, and expensive updates. You have been denied a strong presence online, but today that'll change, and you will find the perfect way to create the website you want. AI Website Builder. Webira is the breakthrough AI platform that can create complete websites for you without forcing you to learn any complex skills. All you need to do is tell Webira what sort of website you want, and Webira will create it in minutes. Yes, from scratch to finish. Webira does everything. Webira just needs a couple of business details. 5 pool guys. We maintain and construct pools in Miami. Over 15 years of experience and 1,000 of satisfied clients. Build a website. You are all you need to build a professional website. Build for yourself, build for your local businesses. Build for the world. With Webira, you will be building sites in minutes. Painlessly. No skills, no stress. Just start building. As easy as telling your friend what you want. Get started with a small description. No complex website frameworks. No detailed documentation. No spec sheet. All you need to get started is to tell Webira a couple of small details about the business you are building for. Review the theme. Webira creates the perfect theme based on your business and logo if provided. Just accept or change anything you want. Watch Webira build it out. I built my coaching website in just 5 minutes. I couldn't believe how simple it was. I even got a very catchy headline that I really loved. What I loved most about Webira was how it feels like I am talking to a live designer. I just tell it what I want to change and it does that. I run a plumbing company in a small town and I thought I would never have a website. I just built it in one evening with this app. Chat and modify your web pages. Want to change anything on the pages you've made? No problems. Just tell Webira what you want to change, just like you tell a friend, and get your modifications done. Powerful WYSIWYG Designer. For slightly more experienced users, Webira also has a powerful WYSIWYG designer that lets you change anything on the page by modifying properties. Colors, font, images. Update anything you want. Create websites in any language. Target a global market and build your website in any language. Webira creates perfect content in the language you pick. Advanced components included. Webira comes with ready-made components for complex objects like maps, etc. Just click to put them on any page you want. Build websites of any size. Webira can build anything from 5 to 50 pages or more. Just keep adding all the pages and topics you want. Inbuilt lead capture. Get leads and prospect updates with inbuilt lead capture from contact forms and lead capture forms. All the leads are mailed directly to you. Included, Webira Elite Level. Base pack suitable for solo creators. Webira's entry-level package. It's suitable for small and solo website creators who are looking to create and maintain a handful of websites for themselves. The all-inclusive includes Webira Elite. Included, Webira Pro Level. Unlimited website creation. The Pro Level upgrade of Webira includes features that help professionals and agencies achieve the scale they need. Webira Pro removes daily website creation limitations. Create all the websites you want for yourself or your clients. Absolutely no limitations. This is a must-have feature if you don't want to be able to sell and profit from websites. Included, Webira Pro Level. Unlimited sized websites. Professionals often need bigger websites. With the Pro level of Webira, included and all-inclusive, you get unlimited sized websites. Add as many pages as you want. Included, Webira Pro level. All ICE included. Modern ICE deliver better results when it comes to web or graphic design. Yes, they write better content too. Webira Pro, included in all-inclusive, gives you access to all of the top ICE, maximizing your creative output. Included, Webira Pro level. Powerful components. Webira Pro also comes with ready-made components that you can use on your websites to add advanced features like maps and more. Included, Webira Pro level. 50,000 welcome credits. Get 50,000 welcome credits to and produce hundreds of websites before you ever need to get more credits. At the Pro level you will be producing a lot more sites, and with these extra credits you will not need to worry about running out of credits very soon. Included, Webira Pro level. Get new ICE first. Newer ICE are getting better and better at coding, content and image generation. With future ICE coming to you first, you get the opportunity to create the best websites before your competition. Get access to all the future ICE first when they come with the all-inclusive Pro deal. Included, Webira Pro level. 2 years of free upgrade. Technology changes constantly, and to stay ahead of the game you need to make sure you get the latest tools that are always ahead of the curve. The all-inclusive deal also gives you 2 years of free upgrades. That means you'll be ahead of the competitors without having to pay upgrade costs. Included, Webira Pro level. Sell websites and services, commercial rights. Every business needs websites. With Webira All-Inclusive you get the commercial license that permits you to create websites and sell them to other businesses. Create and sell any number of websites without any limitations. Get the all-inclusive upgrade to unlock your commercial license. Webira Reseller Upgrade. 70 licenses you can sell and profit from. The all-inclusive deal also includes the reseller version of Webira, which lets you sell Webira to others and keep all the profits. You get 70 licenses to resell, of Webira Elite or Pro. Sell each license at your desired price, either recurring or one-time, and get paid the way you want. We handle the support. Powerful SEO software with AI. Want to rank higher and get more visitors? Create websites that are highly optimized and get you more visitors from both Google and AI. Webira All-Inclusive deal also includes Tarantula SEO Pro, the ultimate SEO software. Rank higher, rank faster, get more visitors. AI content and blog writing software. Having a regularly updated and well-written blog is one of the best ways to get traffic. Webira All-Inclusive deal also includes Articleize, the ultimate blog writing software. Webira user success stories. I have spent hundreds of dollars just to get bad-looking sites. I took Webira for a spin, and I couldn't believe the website it made for me. It was fantastic. For me, this is like a dream come true. I used Webira to make 4 different layouts for my client to choose from. They loved it. I think this is going to make my job very easy. I love how simple it is. I really don't feel that anyone needs to learn web design now. This is so much easier. Impressive graphics. The best thing I liked was the graphics this app did. I think they are better than a real designer. Money back guarantee. Making up your mind is hard, especially when it's a new technology that you haven't tried yet. Well, we really want you to have the first mover's advantage, and that's why we are prepared to bear all the risk. Here's our guarantee. Buy Webira, and use it for up to 30 days risk-free. If you don't like what it does for you and your business, just let us know within 30 days through a support ticket at https://technicforce.com/support, and we will refund you 100% of the money you paid. Support guarantee. Bad support can destroy your investment and happiness. When you buy from Technicforce you get the guarantee of good quality support. 24/6 live chat support guarantee. We have 24/6 chat support here. Yes, if you ever have any issues using Webira, just come to this website and talk to our live support agent. We are always here to guide you. Live assistance guarantee. Having trouble making something work? Our tech agents will help you on Skype and on TeamViewer, UltraViewer to fix your problem. Webira uses modern AI technology to create entire websites using AI. That means it'll plan the site, write the copy, create the graphics and make the entire site. Any niche, any sort of site. Just tell Webira what you want and it will produce a well-crafted website for that niche. Yes, Webira creates perfect-looking websites that have a good and consistent theme. The website's graphics look consistent too. Yes, Webira can be great if you create websites commercially. You do not require any team or a budget. Produce any website you want and sell it. Absolutely. New features, new updates are going to come to you regularly. We build software for the long term. Webira is going to get new updates frequently. With the elite version, you can use it for yourself or content that you have rights to. Upgrade to Pro version or get the all-inclusive to provide services to other people's businesses. If you are unhappy with the purchase, just email us at support@technicforce.com, talk to our live chat support or create a support ticket within 30 days of the purchase and you will get 100% of your money back. Disclaimer. Please note that this product does not provide any guarantee of income or success. The results achieved by the product owner or any other individuals mentioned are not indicative of future success or earnings. This website is not affiliated with Facebook or any of its associated entities. Once you navigate away from Facebook, the responsibility for the content and its usage lies solely with the user. All content on this website, including but not limited to text, images, and multimedia, is protected by copyright law and the Digital Millennium Copyright Act. Unauthorized copying, duplication, modification, or theft, whether intentional or unintentional, is strictly prohibited. Violators will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. We want to clarify that JVZoo serves as the retailer for the products featured on this site. JVZoo is a registered trademark of BBC Systems Inc., a Florida corporation located at 1809 E Broadway Street, Suite 125, Oviedo, Florida, 32765, USA, and is used with permission. The role of JVZoo as a retailer does not constitute an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claims, statements, or opinions used in their promotion.